Hey friends, Kevin here, and I do a lot of camping and van travel, which is why I wanted to try out one of these TRIPTIPS expandable folding toilets. This is the way it comes, so let's get this out of the box, see what we have to do to assemble it, and see how much weight this thing will actually hold. And this is what is in the box. Nice carrying case, looks like it's about 3 inches thick. That's probably about a foot across, so certainly not going to take up much space in the vehicle you're using for camping, which is a benefit. So get this thing unzipped. We'll go ahead and open this lid. It does come with a couple of bags. Of course, you can also use just regular garbage bags. I would use a couple of them. About the 8-gallon size seems to be perfect for things like this. And it's going to come with an instruction sheet. Okay, I glanced through the instructions. Let's try this out. Basically what you're supposed to do is put your feet on the edge of this and lift this up with your hands while turning it in a clockwise kind of direction. So just something to hold it, pull that up, and to make sure that it is engaged. And then you do the opposite with your feet kind of on the edge and twisting and pulling down on this to get this to go back into place. That actually does seem to work. I believe if I open this lid, oh yeah, I can do that. I can open and close that just fine without having to stand on it like the instruction says. So you just want to take a quick look down through one side of this and just make sure that everything is engaged. The main thing with opening and closing this just seems to be to try to kind of keep it level. And if there's any place it does seem like it's going to bind, just wiggle it a little bit, open it back up, close it again. But overall, that system works very well. Pull it out, kind of twisting opposite directions. And if they are engaged on one of these lines, then they will be perfectly engaged all of the way around. The lid is removable. It will snap right back into place. Let you see what the seat looks like. And a little clasp on the front. The seat will lift up and allow you to put your garbage bags in here. Flip that back over, that will snap and lock into place. The removable lid will go right back on, so that seems like it would do what it promises to do if it will actually hold any weight. And now we know for sure this will hold a 200-pound man, and it is very solid filling once you have this assembled. Then you just dispose of your bags you were using. Store it in the carrying case if you'd like. I would have to say my first impression is this TRIPTIPS foldable expandable toilet does what it advertises, what it promises to do. It is a pretty simple device, but sometimes simple is good, especially when you're dealing with trying to use something for van life or different types of camping trips. Simple, lightweight, that's what we're kind of all looking for.